A major issue in Japanese politics today is the center of attention of the entire country, the upcoming Dingshu Fenshi Fen bill, meaning the law to reduce parliamentary seats. This bill was submitted to Parliament this afternoon, and the entire political landscape is currently heated by this debate. But this question remains: where did this 1D, or 10% reduction idea come from? Was there any solid research behind it? Or was it just part of political bargaining? In today's report, we will look at this topic in detail. Round pushpin background: why did this issue suddenly emerge? This issue came to light in particular when the Japan New Deal set a major condition for a coalition with the ruling LDP in October. 10% reduction in parliamentary seats. Surprisingly, the LDP accepted this condition and officially wrote it into the Lian-Li-Xing-Shu, or coalition agreement. From that moment on, the question began to arise. Why 1%? Why not 5% or 20%? Is there a logical basis behind it? Round pushpin question in Parliament, and the Prime Minister's surprising explanation. When Prime Minister Takaichi was asked in Parliament today, why was this number of 1% chosen? So his answer was very straightforward. The High City Prime Minister. This proposal came from the. If they had said 5D, that is, 50%, we would not have accepted it. To this, Gongmingdang member Shi Chuan Bo Chong asked the next question. If Wei Yixin had said 2D, that is, 20%, would we have accepted it? The Prime Minister's answer was once again exactly the same. This 1D proposal was made by the. Hearing this, Shi Chuan Yi Yuan commented, this answer seems to indicate that there is no real basis for 1D. This question and answer in the Parliament surprised everyone to some extent, because it showed that. Checkmark: this decision is not based on any expert research. Checkmark: no legal justification was put forward. Nor is there a comprehensive report on the electoral system. It was simply a political compromise. Round pushpin news anchor analysis. In the program, anchor Sen Guijia said, I feel like when the LDP and the Wei Yixin Lian came in, this topic was suddenly pushed forward rapidly. Today's discussion shows that there may not have been any solid data behind this decision. That is, an attempt is being made to rapidly change a major system, the parliamentary structure, for political purposes. Round pushpin new law: what will happen next? The total number of seats in Japan's lower house, Zhang Yiyuan, at present. 465. The new law states, if a final plan is not prepared within a year, 45 seats will be automatically eliminated. That is, a total of 45 seats less, of which 25 seats will be cut from small constituencies, Shaozan-Juku. After that, the LDP itself has also released a prefecture-by-prefecture analysis of how many seats in each area may be affected. Round pushpin: which areas will this reduction affect? If the 25 small constituencies are eliminated, the greatest impact will be on areas where population is declining, urban population is growing rapidly, voter imbalance, one vote division exists. Potentially affected regions: checkmark Tohoku, Shikoku, rural areas of Kyushu, some areas of Hokkaido, urban areas such as Tokyo, Kanagawa, Osaka, Aichi. The reduction may be less noticeable, but in some cases, a new distribution is possible. Round pushpin: why is this decision controversial? There are three main reasons for this. Keycap 1: there is no formal justification for 1D. The government itself is saying that these proposals were from Wei Yixin, not expert recommendations. This law will affect the electoral representation of a large country, which is why experts are calling it an unscientific move. Keycap 2: population decline equals seat reduction. Not always necessary. Some experts say, the problem is not that there are more seats. The problem is that the distribution of constituencies is not fair. Therefore, reducing by just 1% is not the solution to the problem. Keycap 3: the voice of small areas will be further weakened. The political power of rural areas is already decreasing. If 25 more constituencies are eliminated, then reduced representation at the level, impact on budget and development projects, weakened local politics. These concerns exist. Round pushpin: what will happen next? In the next 1 year, a new election delimitation committee will be formed. A province-wise population, geography, and voter count will be analyzed. If the plan is not completed, then 45 seats will automatically be eliminated. That is, this matter has now taken a very serious turn. Round pushpin: what is the public opinion? According to the latest survey, 65% of the public is in favor of change. but only 28% believe that 1% reduction is right. 52% of the public believes that fair reform of constituency should be done first. This shows that the public also wants transparency behind this decision. The reduction in parliamentary seats is a huge step. It is not just a matter of numbers, but representation in the country, the political power of each region, budget distribution, legislative balance. It has a direct impact on everyone. And when the Prime Minister himself admits that 1% was just a proposal by Wei Shin, the questions become even deeper.